People have been waiting for the impending release of Asus' next flagship, the Zenfone 11 Ultra, for some time. The company has now officially made an announcement. Asus took to social media channels to confirm the global launch event will be taking place on March 14th at 8 p.m. in Taipei time. That will be 8 a.m. on the United States East Coast time. The post on X indicate the event will be specific for the live online unveiling of the Zenfone 11 Ultra series, and it will be an AI integrated flagship. The announcement made on Asus website also highlight the times the event will be available in Berlin and New York, suggesting the possibility the device will be also available in US and Europe. With no further details revealed on its site, Asus teased enhanced smartphone capabilities powered by AI. This can be seen in a series of teaser videos that showcases features like video stabilization, advanced portrait mode, and long-lasting battery, aside from the obvious ultra size. The benchmark leak earlier this month uncovered Zenfone Ultra will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset, will come with up to 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. Another leak revealed it'll have a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen with 120Hz refresh rate and a massive 5500 mAh battery with 65-watt wired hypercharge and 15-watt wireless charging supports. Design-wise, it appears to be a refined version of ROG Phone 8 Pro series, sporting a similar design without the gaming-specific elements like RGB lighting. It's having the same camera setup such as 50 megapixel main, 32 megapixel 3x optical zoom camera and 13 megapixel ultra wide. It remains to be seen if it will have a headphone jack. If they have, it will be only the two companies in the world with headphone jacks and phone. One is Sony and one is Asus. Though Sony still has a memory card expansion slot. Hope they can give at least 3 years of Android updates, this time and price is below $800.